This is Jason Drawn with Drawn Cattle Company, showing you current inventory. We're known for having great prices. We are a J-Bar farm implement dealer. J-Bar has been in business since 1972. We're known for having the cheapest bush hogs in the country. We sell every day. Someone's always on the lot Monday through Saturday, 8 to 5. If you need after-hours service, just let us know. We'll gladly load you up at 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock at night. It doesn't matter to us. We're here to serve you. We have a huge selection right now. Over 500 pieces of attachments on the ground. Anywhere from tractor, 3-point attachments to skid steer attachments. We also sell tractors. There's a really nice Ford 2810. We got a Farm Track 535 with only 400 and some hours. $6,800, runs really good. We have a Massey Ferguson 235, a real nice tractor, $6,800. We've got a Farmall 140, year model 1979. Last year they made them. Very nice, tight tractor. We have it for $5,500. Here's an International 254 two-wheel drive tractor. Runs really good. Here's the Kubota B6200. We have an awesome skid steer, a New Holland LS 180, $13,800. Has 4,000 hours. Previous life was residential. Gentleman we acquired this from simply wanted a brand new skid steer. Here's a good one. Checks out every way it should. Headlights work. Remote hydraulics or auxiliary hydraulics work. You can stick a grapple on it if you need it. Real nice gas gator. Two-wheel drive. Electric dump bed. Mash the pedal and it goes. Very handy. Kawasaki Mule. It was a rental. Cosmetically, there's a few blemishes. You can see the rental number on it. Mechanically, it's awesome, 100%. Only 199 hours. Very nice and dependable. Here we have a 24-25 Farm Pro 4x4 tractor. Only 59 hours. $5,500. It's the nicest Farm Pro we've ever had. Very nice. Like new. It was a barn find. Hadn't really been used a whole lot. Looks like new. These tractors are also sold at Nortrac under the Nortrac name. You buy one today, $12,000. You can get this one with 5,900 hours for only $5,500. Awesome buy. If you need skid steer forks, we're the place to buy them. We sell heavy duty, 4,000 pound capacity. $675 brand new. We sell John Deere 4,000 pound forks, only $725. You need 2,000 pound capacity, we got them, $585. We sell the J-Bar land levelers. To be honest, I can't hardly keep them in stock. 5 foot is $750, 6 foot is $850, 7 foot is $875. And again, I cannot hardly keep them in stock. They work awesome. 2 blades, 1 blade is angled to help keep the crown in your road. Heavy duty category 2 hitch. These are built to last. We've got the best price in the country on a land leveler right here in Godwin, North Carolina. We've got skid steer buckets. We've got a grapple for a John Deere if you need it. Grapple for the John Deere is only $15.50. Awesome price. We've got bucket grapples, we've got rock grapples, we've got root grapples. Need a grapple for that cat skid steer? Look no further. We got it right here. 72-inch dual cylinder, $1,450. And keep in mind, our grapples are not painted, they're powder coated, they're built to last. J-Bar box blades, we just got 21 in this week. We sell them fast. Best price in the country on a box blade. 6 foot hydraulic box blade, $12.50 brand new. 8 foot in the back, orange, $1,500 brand new. Can't beat these prices. Tons of inventory. Like us on Facebook. Please share our post. Visit our website, farmequipmentandlivestock.com. We buy equipment, we sell equipment, we trade equipment. We will sell equipment for you on consignment. We sell it cheaper than auction companies. There's no guessing what you'll get paid for it. We can evaluate it for you and tell you what it's worth. If we don't think we can sell it for you at the price agreed upon, we will not take it on consignment. Our goal is to get the job done. We have finishing mowers in stock, brand new. Here's a 6-footer, $1,170, brand new. 5-footer, $1,070. Like new Cultipacker, $1,250, 6 feet wide, made by Land Pride. Here's a Woods Heritage 6-foot finishing mower, very nice, minimal use, $1,575. Very, very nice. Only used a couple times, like new. We've got several discs in stock from 5 feet up to 8 feet wide. Here's a Taylor Way, like new, 8 foot for $1,200. Here's a new house, 7 foot wide, $1,400. Here's a new J-Bar, 5.5 feet wide, $1,050. We got pull behind aerators. Here's another J-Bar disc. We also have the discs that are 4 feet wide. Here's one for $575, like new. Here's another for $525. Here's a single row 3-point disc, very nice. We get them from J-Bar, $550. Bush hogs, we've got them. Best prices in the country on a bush hog right here in Godwin, North Carolina. Here's a 5-foot Premier heavy duty model, 7-gauge steel. Comes with the PTO shaft, solid tail wheel support, solid or tubular 3-point support. Here's the standard 5-foot model. Again, J-Bar has made equipment since 1972. We have tons and tons of older, unique, hard to find, one-of-a-kind pieces. You never know what you're going to find out here. One thing for sure, you'll find a good price. Need a pulverizer? We've got it. Again, numerous pieces of equipment. Come see us, Drawn Cattle Company, 8745 Main Street, Godwin. Like us on Facebook. Share our post, please.